Good morning, students. In the previous session, we already discussed about Stone Age. Today, we will discuss more about Stone Age. First is the Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic Age is further divided into three periods, that is, Early or Lower Paleolithic Age, Middle Paleolithic Age, and late or Upper Paleolithic Age. Let us see one by one. Early or Lower Paleolithic Age is the first part of the Paleolithic Age, when the climate was extremely cold, because of which it was also called the Ice Age. Okay, let us see stone tools used. It is during this period that early humans started shaping big pebbles to make stone tools called core tools, such as the hand axes, cleavers, or choppers. These were probably used for chopping trees and breaking bones of animals and were generally oval or pear-shaped. Core tools from Lower Paleolithic Age have been found on the banks of River Son in Punjab, now in Pakistan, and River Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Second one, Middle Paleolithic Age. The Middle Paleolithic Age is the second part of the Paleolithic Age, which witnessed formation of groups and even an introduction of rock and cave paintings. Means Middle Paleolithic Age, given the introduction about community life, discovery of fire, and cave paintings like Bhimbetka. Okay. Then we will see the stone tools used. By this age, the early humans had learned the benefits of using flax as tools. Core tools were big and difficult to use, while flax were lighter and much sharper than core tools. The early humans gave it sharper edges after the shaped flax on pieces of wood or bone handles and used them extensively, means very easily for chopping meat and skinning animals. Flake tools have also been found on the banks of River Son in Punjab and River Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next is Late or Upper Paleolithic Age. Late or Upper Paleolithic is the last part of the Paleolithic Age, which also marks the end of the Ice Age. Okay. Stone tools used. By this time, the early humans had started using blade tools. Blade tools were also made by flakes, but they had two sharp edges and a top crested ridge. These two were after on pieces of wood or bone handles. Modern tools such as the knife and the saw, which we cannot do without, have their origin here, as do tools and ornaments made of a variety of materials such as bone, ivory, wood, and antler. Blade tools from the Upper Paleolithic Age have been found in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh and Chotanagar Plateau. Okay. Next is Mesolithic Age. The Mesolithic Age began with the end of the Ice Age around 10,000 BCE. The Ice Age ended and the glacier retreated rapidly. Vast areas which were once inhabited by herds of animals and their human hunters disappeared under the sea when the sea level rose by an amazing 120 meters. Humans too experienced these dramatic changes and created by changing their lifestyles. Then stone tools used. During the Middle Stone Age, the humans evolved further and reduced the size of their tools to the point that these tools came to be known as microliths, or very small stone tools. These tools were usually made of fine-grained stones such as chalcedony, flint, obsidian, and quartz. Though animal bones and horns were also used to make specialized tools such as points and needles, amongst others. These tools were used in growing crops and making hunting tools such as bow and arrows and spears. During the Mesolithic age in India, people began shifting to a semi-nomadic lifestyle from nomadic hunter-gatherers with preferred areas of residence during different climatic conditions of the year. This change allowed them to stay in an area for a particular period of time during which they could plant seeds and harvest crops. Means in this period the people stopped going one from to another place in search of food. This marked the beginning of agriculture, domestication of cattle, sheep and goats, and the making of simple human-made pottery to store grains and other resources. Baugar in Rajasthan and Adamgah in Madhya Pradesh are important Mesolithic sites. Lastly, the Neolithic age, the last part of the Stone Age. The Neolithic age, beginning of around 8000 BCE, is the stage when mankind completed the process of becoming agriculturist, which started during the Mesolithic age. Agriculture became the primary source of food, thus transforming the society from a nomadic hunter-gatherer one to a settled farming society with permanent residences. Then stone tools used. The tools used by Neolithic people were more varied in both shape and use and included stone tools such as axes and adzes. The Neolithic tools were sharper than the Mesolithic ones. The most important Neolithic site in India is Burzahom in Kashmir. Okay, students. Thank you.